Sticky saxophone? That's frustrating! And horribly disgusting. Try KeyLeave's patented leaf-shaped props to safely open the stickiest E-flat, C-sharp, and G-sharp pads to air dry clean, so they can't rot and stick shut onto the tone hole. Slide them under the key arm of low E-flat and C-sharp. Modern saxophones open G-sharp when low C-sharp opens, so just 2 KeyLeave's props are needed for all 3 of the stickiest sax keys. The soft, flexible silicone can wrap around the key cups, scoop under key arms, or be arched up for an even greater propping height. But never prop pad leather, as that may cause damage over time. It's so soft it won't bend keys. It's safe to use in the case and safe for any instrument finish. Nothing sticks to silicone, so it's easy to wipe clean or even toss in the dishwasher. It works for all alto, tenor, Bari, and even bass saxophone. Soprano saxophone products sold separately. The strap rotates and flexes for easy use. On bigger saxophones, detach the strap from the leaf-shaped props. Double up the strap so the holes align, then reattach to one of the props and use them at any distance on your Bari or bass sax. They even work on early vintage saxophones with reverse bell keys or unusual key designs. A year-long field test of this product showed that even without ever swab cleaning, it stopped 98% of all sticky pads. Results are even better when used as directed with swab cleaning. KeyLeave sax key props are simple enough for a beginner and powerful enough for a pro. For less than the cost of 1 box of reeds, you can stop sticky pads, reduce repair expense, and sound your best. Leave keys open to dry with KeyLeaves. Product of the Year from the Saxophonist magazine. Best instrument care tool from School Band and Orchestra magazine. Best in Show at the NAMM Show 2019.